somebody fall asleep.
Alex.
What time is it?
It's 8. It's almost 9. Yeah, it's 7 to 8. It says at 9. It says at 9 there's a 0% chance of rain.
Okay.
But that's in Weatherford.
Okay, girls, I have a question.
5%.
I have a question. Are y'all gonna be nice to each other?
Yes.
All three of y'all?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, Amberlyn, you wanna ask her you can stay tonight?
I don't know.
Or you wanna go home? We can call your mom too. She said she'd call her and she'd meet us somewhere.
I don't know.
Please.
It's up to her. It's up to her.
Okay.
I'm not really good at spending the night at
Oh, okay. Well, maybe next time you can, okay? Y'all be nice. She's gotta go home.
Okay.
But next time she'll be more prepared. Okay?
Okay.
So let's call Cynthia.
I thought you were
Se tiene que ir a la casa.
¿Tiene que ir a tu mamá?
Si tiene que ir a la casa.
Espera que-
We go to what? Walmart?
Pero la dejamos y luego venimos para atrás.
Sí.
¿Está bien?
Bueno.
Mama, call your mom and tell us where she wants to meet. Tell her we just got out of the theater. Where does she live? Do you want me to call her or are you calling her?
Because I didn't know the address.
No, she said to call her and she'd meet us somewhere.
Guys, we gotta go.
Mira si puede, pero-
We gotta go. I guess the thunder stopped, maybe.
Does she
I
live?
think we
Which
passed
side
it.
of town
Okay.
does she live at?
Guys, I gotta go.
Lives
Bye.
kind of